So, ginutom ako sa performance ng boys. Ang galing-galing nila. This is my reaction. So, I went to a Mexican restaurant and I'm having chimanga. This is a chimichanga pala. Tortilla with beef, cheese, and I'm eating with Rayster kasi one of the highlights ng show ang pag-aayos ng kanyang pants. Okay, chimichanga cutting tayo para makita natin ang loob. So this is how it looks like. Ayan, shoutout din sa sa family ni Marcos na nandito ngayon sa Korea. Welcome po, welcome. Hope to see you.